nga pala tayo pupunta sa Rock Mall. Gabi na.
Yan na lahat?
You know the place?
Yeah.
Check.
Kenneth Hino. Isa kami ng mga ganitong plastic.
Meron pa.
Baba.
Punta tayo na Rock Mall para hindi magtapon ng basura. Inipon namin yan guys. Para maging pera. Sabi ni Kenneth, alam daw niya. Kaya, tara! Puntahan natin ang sinasabi ni Kenneth. Tara, tara, tara. Lakad-lakad lang tayo guys para makakita si Kenneth na pwede netong pagsuksukan at magiging reward. Curious din ako kasi ngayon ko lang ito nalaman. Kasi yung amo daw niya, ito na daw yung ginagawa. Naka-point 1,000 points na daw na reward. Kaya itatry natin, first time natin ito. Dala-dala namin yung plastic na akala mo magtatapon ng basura sa loob ng mall. Magkasing height lang kami ng anak ko, no? Hindi kami magbarkada, ha? Magnanay po kami. Naman, alam ni Kenneth, di nagtanong pa si Burhan sa gwardiya. Hindi naman pala alam niya kung nasaan. Basta ang alam niya lang daw, meron daw sa loob ng Lulu. Kaya lumarga naman kami. Hindi naman namin alam kung saan. Si Kenneth, tingin na ng tingin kung saan yun. Machine lang pala yun, guys. Kaya di ko rin alam. Wala rin akong idea. Para lang nangangalakal, di ba? Kung sa Pilipinas para namumulekta ng mga plastic ng mineral water dito sa loob may hawak ng plastic sa loob pa. Tapos lakad-lakad na ganyan. Ayan, tatanong kami dyan ulit sa guard kasi talaga hindi namin alam kung saan yung machine na yun hahanapin. Kaya magtatanong ulit dyan si Burhan kung saan banda yung machine na hahanapin. Doon daw, doon. Labas? Para magbasurero, sige. Saan? Yun. Yung pala yung machine. Di kala ko. Umikot. Saan ba yung park natin? Okay. Okay, Kenneth, paano?
Park law. Start now.
Start muna.
Just wait. RD Abdalalam.
Ano daw? Baka need pa nung ano ko. Ay, teka lang, wait lang.
How you know? RD?
Kailangan may yung card, ano yun? Yes.
Already finished.
Already finished?
Yeah.
That number didn't come, that screen didn't come?
Need the scan the code?
No need
No need. No need?
No, this is
First time.
First time, you did it? No.
No.
Only to hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, one you put inside now. Start now. You press it.
Start now?
What do you want?
Okay. Too heavy. Click if bottle
Water
is
is
empty.
there? Water means you just remove all the...
Remove the... kailangan walang... Remove the water. Okay. It's empty.
Ayaw.
Minute. Ayaw?
Take another one. Try.
Ay, maybe. Oh, another, this one. Ayaw.
Maybe it is not working.
Check if bottle is empty.
Empty bottle in the bag.
Sila muna. Oh, you can first.
Too heavy. Too heavy. Too heavy.
You have released inside.
Is there?
Tayo.
Hindi ko alam. Check if bottle is
Mentioning whether it is inside or not.
wait your report.
Bring your bottles again.
Water eh. Remove. Ayaw. Hand over. Wait. Not coming. Is that
Hello, take na Habibi.
Something happened to the machine.
maybe.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe ano.
I think this is full.
Huli? Huli niya sayang. Meron din sila. Konti lang. X mo. Wala.
No, you enjoy now.
X mo. Pero din naman yung bottle eh.
Check if bottle is too heavy. Inside maybe too much inside bottle.
Maybe, baby.
Yeah, full.
Too much inside water.
Maybe, maybe.
Yeah, full.
Full. I tell you, remove it's full.
So next time. Uwi na tayo.
So can I remove again? And put.
Okay.
Here is no half of the machine.
I don't know. Only one machine has here in the
Only
loop?
one machine.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, only one. Only this one. Only this one. Only
First time because of my son have like this. That's why I...
Yeah, for the dicky full of letters.
Ah.
Dicky even is Nobody is there to ask now.
Maybe full.
This time, this time.
Because it's not coming down. Traffic mo lang.
Oh, yung.
Bakit muna nga? Maybe full.
Habibi, yan na. Kailan magaan tayo yung first time?
Ay, tumilaw na.
Push.
Red, pwede na green. Hang over.
Yan, matay. Lang, bitay mo rin. Ganun mo talaga. Pinatay ka lagi.
Pinatay yung vlog. Di man talaga. Out, okay. Balik.
Ako pinatay. Mga. Galing ah. Murad push this.
Hindi na mabuto.
Too heavy food.
Baka nga puno na.
Check if bottle is empty.
Please take it out and put
Please
it
take
away
it
in the
out
receiving
and
window.
put it
Take it
away
out.
and- So can again?
Ayan, please take it out. Nahulog?
Hindi. Mga puno na nga ito.
Apa muna Burhan? Maybe pool. Dogashin pool. Oh.
Brother. Put one only.
Not that working.
निकालो उसको लो।
Is that working?
फुल हो गया?
Maybe full?
सिक्योरिटी को बोलो ना। वो दरवाजा है, उसमें नॉक करो, सिक्योरिटी आएगा उसको बोलो फुल हो गया बस।
Meron din
change
siya
करेगा।
guys. Remove.
Take this one.
Dami din sa kanya. O, tingnan mo.
Dami rin pala naguhulog dito.
Mga Indiano. Ha? Who take the ano? May tatawagan siguro sila. Why not a problem? Why Karban? Karban? Guys, pwede pala dito yung mga aluminum, yung mga Red Horse and can. Pwede pala yan. Ayan, mga Coke. Oh, meron ganyan sa Pilipinas, di anda, wala na sasayang lahat. Pwede maging pera. Yan. Ano, Karban na.
Karban.
Not working.
ये किल है सर।
That is Karban? It's not working, guys.
What is it?
You know,
Yeah.
because of 1 dirham,
Because
have,
in my work,
100 points.
the madami
Sige, kaya mo yan. Sige, pinag-aaral kita.
Kanin
Ayan,
law.
ang English mo, hirap na hirap ilabas.
Small, big, any, no problem.
Also yung ano, the beer.
points.
The Pepsi also.
Yes.
The Pepsi one.
Yes, all.
Okay, I said now. I said to my Kadama, it's coming in the house. Said, don't worry.
You have kadama?
Yan kalama.
Ibig sabihin guys, na
Mashallah,
kadama
yung
katulong
kadama.
yun sa bahay. Arabic kasi kadama.
Okay, you save now, ah.
Ayan, dahil sira ang machine, uuwi na tayo. Hindi natin nahulog yung mga empty bottles. Next time na lang, ipon ulit kami.